try on haul from Honey Bum. They reached out to me in my email and I said yes. I love clothes, I love online shopping, and I love trying different websites. I actually get reached out to by a lot of companies and they never make it to my channel because their stuff is cheap and it's ugly. But I actually really love what Honey Bum sent me, and the quality is amazing as well as the price. I'm not gonna promote anything from online shops that's like $250 that I know is super expensive and not easy to get to. So everything I'm showing you guys is fairly cheap, I mean, but the quality is actually really good. I've been wearing this stuff almost every single day. I like it. So Honey Bum, like I said, is basically an online shop. They have an Instagram page where you can go and check out their clothes. They have a lot of really cute items, and like I said, on top of it, it's super inexpensive, and I love their message behind it. It's Honey Bum because honey, bees, and what they do is they actually plant flowers after every purchase just because we need bees to make cotton, and without cotton we don't have comfy clothes. So that is their whole message behind their company, and I absolutely support it, and I think it's really cute. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from them. Like I said, I wouldn't make this video if I didn't actually like it. So let's go ahead and get started with my favorite items, and then I'll not like from best to worst, but just like I'll start with my favorites. If you hear any like squeaking or anything, I may have broken my bed, don't ask how, so I'm so sorry. Like if you hear like squeak squeak, like can't help it. The first items I'm gonna show you guys is workout gear. I have not been to the gym since I got banned from the gym, and I don't intend on going back. Don't ask how I got banned, I'm not gonna tell you. So the first piece is this pink bralette, and everything, like I said, I like the quality. I can't see my nipples through it, and like I have to say that, you guys, I have to say it because I've tried some stuff from some other companies and that stuff is see-through, and you already like feel kind of uncomfortable at the gym because you're sweating and you feel gross. So why would you want to be there and like just feel like people are gawking at you, because you know how it be. So I went ahead and picked this one out, and I really like it. The material is awesome, very breathable. Not like I worked out in it. And then they also sent me the leggings to go with it. I haven't like really been fond of the color pink, but ever since I got a pink wig like last year, I've been obsessed. So I've definitely been trying to incorporate, you know, some more colors into my wardrobe. So I just got this for one of those days when I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like doing too much, but it's still cute, you know, not too basic. The next item I got is similar to that one. I actually wanted that pink set in gray, but they were out of stock, so I went ahead and got that one. But they did have this in stock, and this is a bodysuit. This is so comfortable. Usually when I wear bodysuits, like downstairs, it starts to like get really, really tight and it feels uncomfortable, and you're just like picking at yourself, and like you're like, I don't want to pick this front wedgie in public, but I might have to. And I always get that feeling with bodysuits, but this one is actually so comfortable. I love, love, love the straps and this little, you know, strap that they have around it. You have adjustable straps in the back, of course. It's just overall very comfortable and very breathable, and I did not feel like I had to pick a front wedgie. The next item is probably, I think, the comfiest out of the entire freaking haul. You guys, this is a onesie, a footless onesie, of course. I wore this to the airport just because when you go to the airport, you got to be comfortable because, you know, those planes are cold, the seats are cramped. It is just, unless you're Kylie Jenner, you don't have a private jet, you gotta suffer. So I went ahead and put this on. My hair was hella nappy underneath, but this hood was big enough to hide my mess that I was. But this is what it looks like. It is a velour, and it says honey right there, a velour onesie. Has a little thing right there, has pockets, of course. What is in my pocket? But it is super, super comfortable. It went all the way down to my feet. I am 5'9", you guys. I am tall, so like it's really hard for me to find, you know, onesies that actually fit, because usually they're made for people that are like 5'4" or 5'5", and other than that I would have to shop in the men's section, and I don't want to have to shop in the men's section because I'm tall. I want to still be able to wear cute girly stuff, you know? So the fact that this fit me so well, and what's cute about it is there's actually like a little thing in the middle so you could tie it in it to give you a little body. I mean, when you're at the airport, you're not trying to give body. I mean, some of us maybe, I don't know. I'm just trying to be comfortable, but I like that it has that little string right there, so you could definitely, I wouldn't say dress this up because I mean, you're not going to go to the club in this, but if you did want to turn it into a more casual outfit, it would add a little more shape to it and not look so, you know, slouchy. Next items I have to show you guys is a two-piece set. Now, I've actually seen this before on other people, but I wanted to get my own just because, I mean, I'm not trying to be basic, but it's cute, so I had to get it. You know how a lot of people are into that whole like motorsport look right now, so I wanted to go ahead and pick up one of these just because, I mean, obviously it's gonna be form-fitting, it's gonna make the body look good, and then I like that it has a little turtleneck right there, but you can obviously I just thought it was really, really cute. and it fits alright. So here is what the top looks like. Obviously you guys are gonna get to see what everything looks like on, but here is the bottoms. I got a medium in both of these, by the way. Everything that I get is a medium just because, I mean, it's my size. The next two items I got are just for, you know, lounging at home, and you guys know I live in Arizona. It is so hot here, you guys. Hallelujah, it hasn't been getting that hot, but it's coming. We're still in May. We still got June to roll by to bring the burn. So I am so in all for little two-piece sets. So here's the top. It says baby girl. Honestly, when it comes to like print and stuff like this, I would obviously prefer if it didn't say baby girl, but I mean, it's still cute regardless. I could wear this with some fluffy slides or some cute sneakers. So this is what it looks like. That's the top, and this is the bottom, and these I actually got in a size small just because they stretch a lot. Like I said, super comfortable and will come in handy for a very hot day here in AZ. This I'm sad about. Okay, you guys, this has nothing to do with it, but a lot of things have been going missing from my home as of recently. I don't really know what's going on, but like I already had an issue in the past that like somebody like got a key and then came into my home, like, and I haven't talked about this. I think I talked about it on Snapchat a little bit, but I haven't talked about it on my channel. I really think somebody might low-key be coming into my home because things are getting like put in random places. Things are going missing, like things that should not be going missing. And I kept all of this clothes in a, you know, safely wrapped box in a certain place so it wouldn't be touched. And tell me why items are missing from the box. Why are items missing? I go in my cabinets, things are missing. I go downstairs, things from my, like, just little things are just missing. Like, I don't know what's going on. I need to set up cameras again in my house because I did, and I turned them off because I got sketched out. I love my FBI agent, but like, I need space. So I have the bottoms to it, but I don't know where the heck the top went. I wore this also before. These are so comfortable. Like, they're like that windbreaker material, but not like too heavy or overpowering. They are so comfortable. These are in a size small as well. I'm over here accusing my brother of stealing shit from me because he was the only one here while I was gone. But like literally, like, why is shit going missing in my home? So these are the shorts, and it has a cropped little windbreaker hoodie or a sweatshirt jacket thing that comes with it. So this is what this two-piece set looks like. On the side it just has one white line going down. Just something I would throw on. Just very casual with like some sneakers or something. So it looks like that. The color is black. I mean, you guys can see that. And this is what the top looks like. It is a short sleeve. Looks like that. I love these little hoods. I could throw them on when my wig starts getting messed up in the front. This top, you guys, so freaking cute. So freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. You put it on like that, and then you take the two little strings. I'll show you guys obviously how you put it on or whatever, but then you just tie it in the front. It's so cute. This looks so adorable with some jeans, like just very simple. But the fact that it is, you know, like a short or small top, like it literally only covers your boobs. So you need to like be comfortable with like showing lots of belly. It looks so freaking good on. I love it. It's comfortable. Me a couple years ago would not be comfortable with wearing stuff like this, so I'm very glad that I've like grown as a person. We have another two-piece set. I've actually seen this one before. That's why I like wanted it so bad. It's giving me Clueless vibes. So as you can see, we have a plaid, orange and brown halter top, ties in the front and in the back, and then the bottoms are right here. These are in a size medium, by the way. It has a zipper in the front, goes all the way down. It doesn't go all the way down to my ankles because, like I said, I am 5'9", but it does cut off at a good place to where I can get away with it with, you know, like some ankle boots. And they went ahead and threw in some extra things that I'm going to show you guys. I did not pick these out, but they threw them in anyways, so thanks. The first thing they threw in were these hoop earrings, which I love hoop earrings. If you guys know, if you don't know, if you've only seen this, you know, my first video that you've seen, I'm actually bald. This is a wig, obviously. I actually have like only 2 inches of hair because I shaved my head a couple months ago, so I have to accessorize. Because my hair is so short, like I love to add big hoop earrings or, you know, statement pieces or like, you know, something crazy with my makeup. Just, you know, spice it up. Like, so if I don't have like a pink wig, a purple wig, a blue wig, like I feel very boring. So I have to add like, you know, little things like this just to add details so my outfit is a lot more spiced up. I thought this was hilarious that they sent me this. They literally sent me a leather jacket. I mean, it's not real leather, it's pleather, but like, it's too hot. It's way too hot for this, but thank you. And they also sent me this. I haven't tried this on yet, so I'm excited to see how it fits me. So it is a skirt, and then it has like, you know, the little half bodysuit, the panties underneath, so you know you don't show too much. But it is, you know, a little see-through. And then here is the top. It's gonna be very interesting trying this on because I'm not gonna show my goods on camera. So I think I'm not gonna try this on actually. So I'm gonna leave it up to the imagination because only my man gets to see me like this. So here is the bottom, here is the top. I'm not comfortable trying it on camera, and I'm not gonna force myself to. These overalls, but unfortunately they did not fit at all. They did not go past my hips, which made me a little sad, but this is what they look like. There's dog hair all over them, yikes. But just some overalls, some black overalls. I would have definitely worn them with a crop top or a bandeau or something and turned it into a, you know, a little bit of a 90s look, but they don't fit. So that is basically everything that I have to show you guys from Honey Bum. Thank you guys so much for sending me some clothes. I love clothes. I love online shopping. I'm addicted to it. I literally remembered on all of my debit cards. I know all of the numbers. I know all the codes because that's how often I'm online shopping. Make sure you guys check them out. Like I said, everything on their website is very, very affordable. It's pretty good quality for the price that you're paying. Like, that's what I love the most. I would not be promoting this stuff if I thought it was cheap because I'm not gonna have you guys go and waste your money. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. And check out Honey Bum. Go and get yourself some new outfits for the summer. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
To me, I feel work.